Hey y'all, out here at the Street Rod Nationals 2013 in Louisville, Kentucky, and I got one bad K5 Blazer, like a 72 Blazer, street machine kind of a truck. I think y'all are going to enjoy. So let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a look at it. Tommy, how are you, brother?
I'm doing fine, Scotty.
Tell me a little bit about your hot rod.
It's a 72 Chevy Blazer, 72. It's got a 454 big block in it. Obviously, convertible top.
Now did the tops used to come off these?
Yes.
But you've done more than that.
No, it's just the top's completely off of it.
And then you just finished it so you wouldn't, I guess you don't put a top back on it. No. Man, that is cool, dude.
It's all custom interior, two-tone pleated. It's kind of like, it's basketball.
Right.
Center console, it's all real wood, red oak. It's about 3/4 inch thick.
Man. Did you do the work yourself?
No, me and some of my buddies, B&K Customs out of Louisville.
Okay.
Larry Sneed did the interior. A good friend of mine, me and Jimbo did the center console. A guy named, one of my friends, Bo, we did the air ride on it.
And I don't have to ask why, because it's cool. But is it something you'd always thought about doing, like being a little different, you know?
Yeah, I like the Blazer because it can be convertible, kind of almost like a pickup truck. It's a little sporty type, you know. A lot of people walk by it and they don't think twice about it. And they're like, oh, it's a black. Whoa, hold on.
It's brown.
It's brown. This is all airbrushed wood grain.
Oh, no kidding. I walked by that, I'll admit. I did catch it being brown, but I didn't notice that wood grain.
When I get underneath the hood, the air breather, it's like a big old chunk of wood.
No kidding.
But it's all airbrushed.
Now, back in the day, that trim would have been like vinyl wood down there, right?
Vinyl is the sticker. We basically bought the black kind, and B&K Kent Hansford, he's done all the airbrush on it. The dash on it is airbrushed wood grain. He obviously done the tiki head in there on the glove box.
I love the hood you put on. Did you make that yourself too?
No, it was actually when I bought it that the hood was on there.
Well, that's nice. Now I like how all the marker lights are blacked out on it. Yep. That grill.
It's actually candy. They've been covered with candy.
Yep. And that's what color? Black candy?
No, it's root beer.
Okay.
But you do it enough. That's how we get on the airbrush.
Right.
It's a real lighter color, and he puts airbrushed wood grain in it, and then candies it, and then that's what it comes out look like.
What do you run? 20s and 17s or 18s?
18s.
Okay. And 20s on the back.
Yep.
Man, that's got the right stance. It's on bags.
Yep.
Very cool. I like how you did this and finished all this up too. I mean, you're committed now. It's a convertible.
Yep. And even like the center, that's wood. It's all wood.
Right.
You know, of course, the gauges and everything like that, but that's airbrushed. Kent done that, and the tiki head. I actually did, me personally, I done all the wood in it.
How long did it take you?
You're gonna laugh at this, but it went to the Park Casper Show this year, and we started in January. 5.5 weeks. We did the whole build in 5.5 weeks.
Holy smokes! But a lot of long hours.
A lot of weekends.
Right.
My good friend owns the body shop, B&K Custom. So every weekend, you know, I was off. I was up there working. So.
Cool. Are you happy?
I love it.
Is this what you envisioned when you got done?
Oh yeah. It is seated.
Yeah. No kidding, dude. I stopped you in traffic. But there must be 10,000 cars up here, and this was one I was like, I got to shoot that. I'm always looking for that unique, and that is cool. Because it's still, you know, it kind of looks like a street rod pickup truck that you've cut the top off.
A lot of people look at it and they're like, that's a Blazer.
Yeah.
And they put out the tops.
Cool. Let me get a walk around on it, and then I'll get you to open that hood for me.
Yes.
Right? That's cool, guys. You gotta say, that is cool. And fun to drive, right? Convertible top, you know, you ain't got to worry about anybody else that's got one. I just love this thing, man. And it's brown. Like I said, you see it in real life and you swear it's black, but when you catch the light on it, it's brown. Man, that's very cool.
Got a daggone gravel lot over here.
Oh, I understand. Oh man, that's like the Cadillac.
All this is a wood grain. It's a lot easier to see whenever I use this little flashlight on my handy dandy phone here.
There you go. Yeah, no, that popped it right up. Very cool. Yeah, everybody tells me I need to get auxiliary light. They're probably right. Now you did beautiful, man. I like the inner fenders, how you finish it underneath.
And it's 4-wheel disc brakes.
Oh, wow. Cool. Tommy, you rocked it, brother.
Thank you.
You and the boys at the shop, time well spent, that's for sure.
B&K Customs in Louisville, Kentucky.
There you go. Folks, there you go. 72.
Yep.
K5 Blazer, convertible. Street Rod Nationals, Louisville, 2013. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See you.